All right, how's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Got some new taillights for the Corvette ZR1 from Vette-Lights. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, hope everybody is having a great week. I'm freaking pumped. Last weekend was my birthday. The wife bought me some new taillights from Vette-Lights to put on the ZR1. So if those that are familiar, I recently got their Morimoto fog lights on the ZR1. I love the attention to detail they put into the, not only their product and the quality of that, but even the packaging, the marketing material that went into it. It just told me that they care a lot, and it's a good company to buy a product from. So I went through their website and noticed they had all kinds of taillights. I mean, they have the Morimoto ones, which is what I went with. You can get those in the clear style or a newer style red lens. And from there's many options as far as the tint goes. You can get a tint across the entire taillight, whether it be red or the clear. You get a light tint, a dark tint, or you can just get the center tinted, which is what I went with. I went with their clear headlight with the center tinted. I just thought with the carbon fiber and color of the car, it kind of brought everything together and helped personalize the car. Everybody's got their own taste, and that's kind of the really cool thing about the Vette-Light taillights and all that, is they've got all kinds of different options. And if you don't like the Morimoto style, they do have the eye ones, Demon Eyes, or whatever they're called. So even if you don't like the Morimoto style, they do have another option there available. And as I mentioned, their attention to detail has been just awesome. These were really good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the unboxing right now, and we'll jump into it. All right, well, I've been anxious to get this. Gonna open it with my new knife here. Got the new K-bar knife. Alright. Ooh. Another sticker, some more cards, packing slip. Look at there. I went with the clear ring with the dark center on it. I think it'll look real good with the blue and black Corvette. Looks like it's just plug and play. We'll see. There you have it. There's all four. It should just be one bolt, I'm guessing, to remove these. As you can see here, you've got these two little legs that'll be there on the stock too. We'll unscrew it from the top with the screwdriver carefully so you don't scratch either lens when you're removing it. And then it just simply pops out, lifts out, and easy as that. It should be way easier than the fog lights as far as the install goes. And it does look like it is a Torx head screw, so that's literally the only tool we're going to use for this. So I'm just going to skip doing the tool section. Other than that, when we put these on, you might put a little painter's tape at the bottom of the housing just to make sure it doesn't scratch the car when you're taking the old ones off and putting the new ones in. But anyways, their attention to detail has been just spot on. In the quality of their product, it shows through. I noticed with the fog lights, these tail lights were no different. And real quickly here, before we get into the unboxing, I just want to ask y'all real quickly, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. As I always say, that helps my videos to grow and helps support my channel, and I can't say thank you enough for the support. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the install. These are super easy. As far as all their lighting mods on their website, this is probably honestly the easiest. It literally requires a piece of blue painter's tape and a Torx head screwdriver, and you're good to go. And also a flathead screwdriver to get a connection out. But flathead screwdriver, Torx head, blue painter's tape, and maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes of your time, and you're gonna replace all 4 taillights. That simple. All right, well, as I mentioned, to get these off, you're gonna find one screw here on the top. Simply remove it, then the unit should pull out this way, and then from there, just pull up on it to release it. There will be a wire in there that we'll have to immediately remove. Can remove this screw. Pull it this way, up. So you should have one connection here to remove. It's on the back of the housing. You can see that. Broke the tab on it. Great. So I'm gonna have one that's a little loose. Be careful, because you saw I just busted the tab on this one, so I'll have to order a new connector and get that in, or at least this little housing. That will be fun. But there you go. There's the old one off. You can see somebody was crazy with the screwdriver on this one. Ruined the tint or whatever they put on there. It looks like this was probably sprayed on tint. Yeah. So somebody got that spray tinted and then ruined it. Alright, new one in. And it does look like these are angled. So be sure this one's angled to be on the other side of the car. You can see the angle of it. And I just noticed it's RH for right hand. So we're going to carefully, without scratching it. Looks like it's going this way. That's actually pretty snug. Bit may be okay without a new connector. Carefully put that back inside. And again, we're going to get the tongs on first and then move it in just the opposite of what you did taking it out. Try to make this a little bit bigger. You just want to snug these. Do not over tighten. You're just tightening plastic. There you go. There's one. One thing I'm going to do on this next one probably is put down some painter's tape, because it did seem like that was a really close fit getting that in. A lot closer than the stock one.
right, well, real quickly, because, you know, taillights are something you need at night and stuff, I wanted to show y'all, these are actually way brighter than the stock taillights that are on the car. Sorry if you're having a hard time seeing me, but it is night. So I just wanted to show y'all how bright these damn things are. Wow. Super bright. You can see the flash between, you know, the brake lights and the driving lights. This is just the driving lights. That's how bright the brake lights are. Insanely bright.
Anyways, I do recommend you use that painter's tape. It was a little snug fitting getting in there. And that'll just help protect your paint a little more. It didn't scratch my light inlet or anything like that, but just recommend for you guys just to be on the safe side. So let's go ahead and do the quick car montage and let's see how they look, which is immaculate. So I love the way these look. I absolutely love it. It's definitely going to be a good addition. I've still got more mods on the way from Vette-Lights, just to let you know. I just put in another order with Vette-Lights while I was editing this video. So I've got something else on the way from Vette-Lights. I'm planning to do 2 mods from them after that, so 3 total on the way, and I can't speak highly enough about it. If you guys are interested, they're not a sponsor of mine, but I did reach out to them and they did allow me to get a discount code for you guys. I'm gonna have it below in the comments in case it ever changes, but as of the time I'm shooting this video, your discount code to save you 10% off on anything on the Vette-Lights website is OCS10. So anyways, be sure to use that code OCS10. You'll save 10% off your order. And also just wanted to quickly say thank y'all so much for watching my video. I can't tell y'all that enough. And I hope everybody has a great week.